What's up, everybody? I apologize for not uploading as consistently as I should have been, but I've been out working 14-hour days because today we are going to pick up the new motor. So we got straps, a tarp to throw over it on the way back, and just a shovel to hold the tarp down. We're ready to go. Oh yeah. Alright guys, we have arrived home and we got the goods. Oh yeah. We also picked up some gas, but we got the good. The goods. The singular good that is the best. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Alright guys, so it's been about maybe a month and a half since I got the motor in the car, and it's been a pretty awesome month and a half, I'm not even gonna lie. This car is way better than it was before. It's so much more fun. It's so much easier to drive now that I have more of that torque. I didn't realize how much torque you lost when you were so low on compression until I got a new motor. I've put 2,600 miles on the new motor in that month and a half. I've been driving this thing. After that 1,000-mile break-in period, I've just been beating on it. Keeps taking it, she keeps going. I haven't had any issues, really. I had a misfire for the first couple nights after the break-in was done, and that's mainly because a vacuum line, either I forgot to plug it in or a vacuum line ended up popping off and it was causing a misfire. I fixed that up. It has been great ever since. I haven't had really a single issue. I put in a new alternator as of yesterday. I didn't film any of it because I was in a rush trying to get it done. So that's that. As far as, building an RX-8 goes and putting a motor in it and doing all that, this was one of the best experiences I think I've ever been through. Swapping a motor back into my car, it was really rewarding when I turned that key and she fired up. That was probably the most excited I've ever been in my life. And it all came from a car that I ultimately needed a new motor in, which I never thought I would say my happiest moment came from fixing a broken car. But here I am. And here's the car behind me. So you can see it's really dirty. Well, probably not really dirty, but she's been on daily duty. I've been leaving the Jeep to sit actually for a little bit. I've probably only driven it twice since I've had this car running. This thing's been running so good and I've been having so much fun with it, I don't want to get out of the driver's seat ever. I've been finding myself driving super late at night just because of how much fun the car is, and how much I missed it and how much I enjoy it. So next on the list, I need some new oil pan and oil pan gasket. I don't really need an oil pan. I want a reinforced oil pan simply for the fact that I am now lower than I was before, and just for peace of mind, I'd like one. After that, I'm going to get just a little oil pan protector thing that connects to part of my under tray. Just again, peace of mind type of stuff. I need new oil cooler lines. I need a new radio, and after that, I'm probably going to move on to the interior, I would say. Get some seats in there, steering wheel, you know, some simple stuff. And then after that, I believe I want to send it out, get the trans done. And I think that'll be it after that. All the synchros are going in that trans. If you know anything about RX8 transmissions, they are made of literal glass, and they run way hotter than they should. So that heat just doesn't work. It's not good for the transmission, and it always runs super hot if you're driving it how you're supposed to drive these cars. So I'm hoping I don't melt through my speed sensor wire before I get my trans rebuilt. But we will see. So as far as all of that goes, that is going to do it for me on this video. There's going to be a whole lot more with this car in the future coming up. I was slacking really hard on getting this video out, and I apologize, but it's been, you know, I've been in this car all the time. I've been going to meets and all that, and from now on I'm going to start vlogging some of these meets, start recording them. They've been super fun, and it's something I would love to share with you guys. But I appreciate every single one of you for watching, as always. I hope all of you can go crush your next project, and I will see all of you in the next video. Peace out.